Hello, if you're here and listening to me, hopefully you are looking for Eureka Math Squared, second grade module 5, lesson 12. And if you're not, hey, welcome anyways. You can hang out with us, see what I'm talking about, look at the hands and the voice, because that's all people hear and see. I don't ever see my face just because this is more important than what my face looks like. All right, well, let's get going. Label the number line, place an X to show where the golf ball lands. One of my favorite sports here, so I'm ready for this one. All right, the interval is 10. The interval is 10. What does that mean? The interval is 10. Well, that means we're counting by tens. Okay, so every one is plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, right? So this is 35 plus 10 gives us, what's 35 plus 10? 45. Now we're at 45 plus 10 gives us 55. Good. 55 plus 10. 65 plus 10. 75 plus 10. It says the golf ball lands at 75. So on that 75, you need to make a mark so we know where it lands. All right? Circle it, something, so we know where that golf ball lands. All right. Number 2 says show 35 centimeters more than 40 centimeters. 35 centimeters more than 40 centimeters. So 35 more 40, show 35 centimeters more than 40. So this is 40. I want to show 35 centimeters more. So it's a 5 and this is a 0. So I think we need to count by 5s. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So how many 5s do we need for 35? Well, we need 7, right? Because 7 times 5 is 35. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to stop. We need to stop like right here. So 40 plus 5 is 45. 45 plus 5 is 50. 50 plus 5 is, oops, I'm sorry. I'm writing in between the spaces. Can't do that. My mistake. 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. All right. So we said 7 spaces were here. We counted by 5s and we landed at 75. And if you want to show it the other way, so let's write the equation. I'm going to write under here. We have 40. We're going 35 bigger than 40. 0 plus 5 is 4 plus 3 is 75. 75. We got it right. And on the back, there is nothing. That makes us happy. All right. This is a nice one. All right. Not a ton of hard work. I did both of them for you. Make sure you at least copy it down the right way, although I hope you're not just copying. All right. That's it for me today. This is Eureka Math Square with Mr. Short, second grade, module 5, lesson 12. Have